Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios. Today, this is the second painting from my 90-day retreat. I am using the colors that I have in my box. The focus is not so much on the outer product, but on the communication within the painting. And I'll explain what I mean by that. I'm doing a ring pour. I'm using simple techniques in this process. I'm not using any silicone, and I am working with the simplest techniques of painting so that I can set my intention for the painting to reflect some of the inner processes that I've started on the retreat. So this is a healing, working, learning retreat. And often the healing part happens in the edge of the known and the unknown, in the land of the unspeakable. And so it's difficult to formulate the processes and the habits to change. And I'm asking this painting to be a kind of a biofeedback, a kind of a conversation with myself. So it's an interesting graphic from the unknown. It looks very organ-like. It's very internal. At first, I thought it's kind of a negative. It's flipped. The red should be green and the green should have been red. But as I sat with it, I felt like it could be reflecting the need for a liver detox, the green being bile ducts, not directly representational, but reflecting the process of fluid exchange. And also heat in the body, reducing heat in the body. And these are terms from the Chinese system that I studied. So I share this with you to know that it's possible to have a conversation with your artwork. So thank you for joining me. I appreciate your presence.